Listen to a conversation between a student and a professor.
Hi, Professor Anderson. Wondering if you had a couple of minutes?
Of course, Paula.
Thanks. You sent me a letter recently about doing, an honors project, inviting me to come in and talk about...
Right. Well, as your academic advisor, it's my job to look out for your academic interests. And based on your grades and some very positive feedback I've heard from your professors, I wanted to formally invite you to consider doing an honors project.
Yeah. Well, thanks. Actually, I kind of wanted to ask you, quite frankly, how much work it would probably be? I mean, I'm going to be spending a lot of time applying to law schools next semester, and...
Well, let me tell you how it works, and then you can decide from there.
Okay.
Basically, the honors project is an opportunity to do some in-depth work on a topic you're interested in before graduating college. You register for the class, but it doesn't work the same way a regular class does. You find a professor who you want to work with. You ask the professor, a sort of mentor, who's knowledgeable on the topic you're interested in, the topic you're going to write your honors thesis on.
Writing a thesis? That's part of the project? How many pages are we talking?
Usually about 50, but it's a valuable experience, writing a thesis paper.
So, basically, after I register for the class, I need to ask a professor who'll sort of help me.
Actually, you need to do that. A professor needs to agree to oversee your honors project before you register.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I know it sounds kind of daunting, but that's what the professor's there for, to help guide you through the different steps of the process. And most students are very pleased with the experience. They're able to demonstrate advanced research skills, which is important, especially in your case. Writing an honors thesis would be a big plus.
You think so?
Absolutely, especially considering your plans since you're applying to law schools. It shows initiative that you've done well as an undergraduate to be allowed to do the honors project, that you're able to work independently, and of course, you would graduate with honors.
Yeah, it does sound good. It's just, I've never written something like that before, so...
Well, you choose something you're interested in. Maybe you can even expand a shorter research paper from another class, or...
So, maybe... I took this course from Professor Connolly, his course on comparative governments last semester, and did pretty well. I wrote a paper, actually, on political parties in Venezuela, and he seemed to like my research. Anyway, I got an A in the course.
Good. So it sounds like you do have a general idea for a topic, and you might know what professor you want to work with. And look, it's still a couple of weeks before registration. Maybe you should talk to Professor Connolly and then get back to me.
Yeah, I will. Thanks. I'll come by again sometime next week.
That's fine. Good luck.